play, having fun each day. Review time!
Oh, good morning, everybody. Wow, what a lovely morning. Oh, good morning, Mr. Chicken.
Morning, Mr. Cayman.
Hey, guys, come on, let's go. Oh. Hi guys. Morning everybody.
Morning, Mr. Cayman.
Alright guys, it's time to work.
Hooray!
Mr. Cow, you first. Cow, it's milk time. Cow? Huh. Oh, cow?
He's not here.
Oh, sheep. Do you see the cow?
No, I don't.
Duck. Do you see the cow?
Quack! Yes, I do.
Where is he?
He's there, in the field.
Oh, yes. There he is. Thank you. Oh, hey, Mr. Cow, let's go home. Wait a minute. That's not my cow. Where is my cow? Cow. Cow. Cow? Cow!
Oh, no. He's back.
Oh.
Cluck, Mr. Cayman. Mr. Cayman.
Hello, Mr. Chicken. What's wrong?
Do you see the horse?
No, I don't. Do you see the horse?
No, I don't. Can you find the horse?
Oh, okay. Let me see.
No, he's not here.
Really? He's not here?
Yes, he's not here.
I'll find him. What's wrong with the animals today?
He's gone.
Phew. Let's carry on.
Mr. Horse, Mr. Cow, Mr. Horse, Mr. Cow, where are you? Oh, hey, can you help me? Find the cow.
Find the cow. Cow.
Good job. Find the horse.
Find the horse. Horse.
Ah, excellent. Well done. Where's Mr. Chicken? What's going on?
Surprise!
Oh!
Happy birthday, Mr. Cayman!
Thank you. Oh, Mr. Horse. There you are. Thank you. And Mr. Cow. There you are. Touch the animals on the screen.
Touch the animals on the screen. Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you guys. Oh, I love you all.
See you next time.
Cow. Which one is a duck? Duck. Which one is a sheep? Sheep. Give some grass to the horse. Horse. Give some rice to the chickens. Chicken. Give a watermelon to the pigs. Pig. Sheep.
Con hãy phát âm lại một lần nữa nhé.
Sheep. Chicken.
Con hãy phát âm lại một lần nữa. Con hãy phát âm lại một lần nữa nhé.
Cow.
Excellent.
Do you see a duck?
Excellent.
Do you see a pig?
Excellent.
Do you see a horse?
Yes, I do.
Excellent!
No, I don't.